Hello everyone, got a product review here on the Harbor Freight generator. It's made by Stormcat. It's their little 63cc and it's right around $100. All depends on when you catch a sale or if you use any of their coupons that they do. But it's not a bad little generator. It's a 50-to-1 mix on the gas and oil. And there's on the front of it a little label that kind of shows what you can run off of it. Has a little breaker there, a safety one if it kicks off. If you overload it, you can just reset it there. The on and off switch. Got the choke here. On the gas, you got the lid off and you got a little cup under it that you can measure your oil out for it. Has a little switch on the side of it here to shut the gas on and off. Ain't a bad little generator for running small items. I like to use it for dumping stuff on my floor, it looks like. But I'll run like my saw like this off of it. I've tried doing a circular saw and it's a little bit more than the generator will handle. Pick these nails up real quick here and see if I can dump them again. Do a home repair video on how to pick up nails or something. And this is how you pick up a nail off the floor and put it back in your box. But anyway, back to the generator. It's also great for running a little air compressor like you can get at Harbor Freight. I got one, but it ain't sitting here handy. But it'll run it. It's good for running like little lights or fans, or if you're going camping, maybe you could run a little hot plate off of it if you wanted to cook on it. But we'll go ahead and start it up here, let you guys hear it run. It's a pretty good generator. I'd definitely buy another one. When you're using any generator, even the bigger ones, you want to have it off when you plug whatever you're going to run into it. And before you unplug it, shut the generator back off. So we'll go ahead and start it back up, show you that it'll run this saw here. But it's a great little generator for the money, you know. A lot of people say Harbor Freight stuff's junk. Some of it is, some of it ain't. All depends on what you get and what you use it for. So, interested, check out Harbor Freight. You can order them online or you can go into their stores or whatever. And always look for coupons in your Sunday papers and sometimes in different magazines you can find them. And you even can go on their website and print them off sometimes, save $1 or $2. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and check out my other channel, MrJustDIY, and yeah, MrJustDIY. I don't even remember my channel, plus dumping nails, I'm good. But anyway, like, subscribe, and have a great day everybody, bye.